Alright, very short information inspiration video just to get my own head out of my behind. People fail, systems work. This is how I get out of depressions, just to grant you opportunities that are mind-blowing. This opportunity will definitely blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. I do promise. People fail, systems work. This was the first slogan that I've ever seen online by Ty Coughlin. In those days, 15, 20 years ago, Ty did a reversed funnel system and stated people fail, systems work. From that moment on, I was inspired. But forget team building. We have artificial intelligence software at this moment that does the team building for you. Forget of having to become a network marketing pimp. I say this with a pinch of salt and with a grain of salt. Anyway, never mind. Forget having to be a network marketing pimp. You don't need to be that any longer. You don't need to specifically stand on stage and mass indoctrinate people to be inspired, and so on and so forth. With all respect for those who do, and I love you for it. Recruiting, not necessarily. The software, the artificial intelligence software, is doing the recruiting for you. You do not have to play the help desk anymore for MLM companies or network marketing company CEOs that forgot to implement a help desk or want to save money and having the organization do it for you. So you do not have to play help desk day in, day out any longer for shipment and all kinds of onboarding procedures. This are upgrading procedures. This software is doing everything. You do not even have to organize nor attend hotel meetings, those meetings that you have gone to all these years. Mind you, everything I say right now you can do, but you don't have to any longer. Now forget being codependent on CEOs that keep changing their minds so that you have to change your PowerPoint presentations, your funnels, your attitude, your whatever. So forget being codependent on CEOs that can't set up a company properly, whether it is by default or whether it's that they don't have the drive, the tenacity, or perhaps compliance influences from governments. Now, no monthly fees, so you do not have to have any auto ship, or you do not have to pay any monthly fees. You do not have to secure a certain position by monthly performances. No monthly fees, no hidden fees, no recurring fees, no dropouts. Everyone will stay put in their position. No dropouts, and no people that can literally pass you over. So whenever somebody is doing more or purchasing more, they'll definitely stay in your organization. You definitely keep making money off everybody in your team. No contracts, no hidden little fine letters or contracts that doesn't allow you to be in different organizations or wear a certain uniform or whatever crap that you need to sign sometimes. No contracts and no social media marketing. You do not have to do any recruiting via social media, or no daily routines. You do not have to click any videos or see advertisements or place banners or spend money on social media advertising or do certain things. No, none of that stuff. Fiat and cryptocurrency possibilities. So fiat and cryptocurrency possible. Literally everything done for you. So welcome on board. Click links underneath this video or somewhere on a page or somewhere on this page where you can do so. Leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page where you can see an area in where you can fill in your credentials. We'll send you appropriate video information, won't spam you, and then you can always unsubscribe to the automated follow-up systems that we have in place. Contact the person who invited you. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll blow your hair back and knock your socks off again for the next 30 years. Then make sure when you see this on YouTube to hit the little share button. It's probably underneath the word who. You'll see a little word spelled share. When you click on that, social media icons pop up and you're able to share this video on your social media platforms. But mind you, when you do so, my links are underneath this video, so make sure you rip my video and put it on your own channel, then put your own links underneath and then start spreading via YouTube. This is a little tip and a little marketing advice. And then I'll see you and yours definitely on one of our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, clinics. We have wonderful events and outings and gatherings, but I'll see you definitely in the most beautiful resorts worldwide and on the beaches of the world. Check you soon.